Welcome to our Grohe workshop. Today, I will show you how to install the Grohe Rapid SL in front of a brick wall in 5 easy steps. You can install a lot without using tools. However, you will still need a few tools. Now we'll start. First, place the cardboard box on its long, narrow side and open it using the tear-off function. Then check the contents. By the way, taking a look at the instructions, which are also included, certainly doesn't hurt. The wall brackets must be installed first. To do this, screw the nuts onto the threaded rods and screw these rods into the frame. Then push the wall brackets onto the grooved end of the threaded rods and adjust and align them according to the planned installation depth. The distances to the wall must be taken into account depending on the pipe diameter used for the outlet at the end. Now do the rough aligning first, then adjust the height. Basically, when taking the floor structure into account, the standard height of 1 meter is used for orientation and the marking on the frame is used. Certainly, a WC can also be installed a little higher or lower if necessary, but please always observe the dimensions of the ceramics. The frame can be adjusted to a height of up to 200 millimeters. However, it should not be pulled out completely. Align the frame using the spirit level and fix the height using the nuts of the adjustable feet. Then set the correct distance to the wall using a folding ruler. The position of the frame should be determined based on the center of the outlet pipe. When the distances have been determined and the 1 meter mark has been aligned above the finished floor, mark the drill holes. Now drill the 4 holes using a 10mm drill and press the wall plugs into the holes. Then fix the frame to the floor and to the wall. After this, adjust the wall brackets using the screwdriver and use the spirit level so that the frame is exactly vertical. Now just tighten the nut and push on the plastic clips directly in front of the bracket as a locking mechanism. The Rapid SL has now been fitted to the wall and the floor, and the system can be connected to the water pipeline. The transport securing device for the waste valve is no longer needed now. Now install the angle valve and fix it from the front using the blue ring. Pay attention to the alignment here. Next, insert the outlet bend and fix it using the outlet clamp, then insert the orange construction stoppers. The wastewater can be connected afterwards. Now screw in the retaining bolts at intervals of 180 millimeters. Or alternatively 230 millimeters, depending on the ceramics. Then fit the flexible hose to the angle valve. Now flush the system first so that no foreign matter can get into the filling valve. Then turn the angle valve off again and connect the flexible hose to the filling valve. Next, install the inspection shaft for the flush plate. It is included with the delivery and can be attached horizontally or vertically. Now the Rapid SL can be covered, and the wall can be tiled directly up to the bare wall protection. The rough assembly is now complete. As for now, let's check if we have considered all the important points. The inspection shaft must be cut off completely, flush with the wall. Let's move on to the final assembly. Now install the blue frame. Align the position using a spirit level. Then open the angle valve. Now connect the flush plate to the hose of the waste valve. Put it on and press it on firmly. After this, check it briefly again. Now, test once and check for tightness. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job is done, there are still a few things left to check. Job done. That was easy.